Good morning, children. Okay. Very good morning to you all. See, listen. Today we are going to see the alphabet sound and the letters. Okay, alphabet letters and the sound. Ma'am gave you cards, no? எல்லார் கையில card வச்சிருக்கீங்களா? Show the cards which you have. Show the cards. Yes. Now I will call out the names. You have to tell the letter what you have and you have to keep on the sound. Okay? அந்த லெட்டரோட சவுண்ட்ல கொண்டு போய் நீங்க கார்டை வைக்க போறீங்க. Are you ready? Yes? Ready? Are you ready, ma? Yes? Okay. Now who is coming first? Idalika, come Kana. Come. What is the card do you have? What card? Wait, Idalika. என்ன கார்டு வச்சிருக்கீங்க? அது என்ன லெட்டர்? What is the letter? G. Okay, nearby the letter G, small letter is here. Okay, what is the sound of that letter? G. What is the sound of the letter she has? G. 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 Where is the letter G? Yes, very good. This is the letter G and the sound of the letter is? Sound of the letter is? G. Okay, yes, now. Okay, you leave it there. Go and sit in your place, ma'am. Okay. Come, are you ready to come? Yes, Gobi Krishna. What is the letter do you have, Kanna? What ma? B. What is the sound of this letter, Gobi? What is the sound? Say the sound. Your sound, enna? What is the sound of that letter? B. Where is the letter B? Very good. She is sitting near to that letter itself. Very good, very good. So, the sound of the letter is B. Sorry, what is the letter? B. And the sound of the letter B is? What is the sound? Say. B. Say all of you. B. Mitra, come first. What is the letter you have? I. What is the sound of that letter? What is the sound of this letter? Say all of you. What is the sound of this letter? E. What is the sound of this letter? Go and keep near to the sound E. ஐயோட சவுண்ட் என்ன? E. Say all of you. Go to your place, Idalika and Mitra. What letter do you have, Nalantia? Show the card. What is the letter? Stand up. What is the letter? J. What is the sound of that letter? Go fast. Find out where is J. J எங்க இருக்கு நலந்தியாஸ் பாருங்க. J எங்க இருக்கு கீழ பாருங்க. Find out. Yes, fast. பாருங்க J எங்க இருக்கு? அது பக்கத்துல. எங்க இருக்கு J? What is the sound of this letter? J. J for Jack and J for juice. J. Okay. Devanand, what card do you have? Show me the card. What is the letter? C. Get up, come. Find out the letter. What is the sound of that letter? What is the sound, Devanand? என்ன sound? C யோட sound என்னமா? K. Very good. Come and keep. எங்க வைக்கிறீங்க? நல்லா பாரு. C எங்க இருக்கு? K எங்க இருக்கு? எங்க இருக்கு K? Touch the K. அப்புறம் எங்க வச்சிருக்கீங்க? Take the card and place it correctly. Very good. Go clap for him. Yes. Rutvik, what card do you have? என்ன கார்டு வச்சிருக்கீங்க? D. What is the sound of that letter? வைங்க பார்க்கலாம். D யோட சவுண்ட் D. கொண்டு D எங்க இருக்கு பார்த்து வைங்க. ஓகே, ஸ்மால் லெட்டர்ல வை. ஸ்மால் லெட்டர் D. வைங்க. Very good. Pradiksha, what card do you have? Show me the card. என்ன கார்டு வச்சிருக்கீங்க? A. What is the sound of this letter? A. Go and place it on the letter A. Very good. Clap for her. Nerirayal, what card do you have? Show me the card. E. What is the sound of this letter? Yeah. எங்கமா இருக்கு? Yeah for? Yeah. Elephant. Okay. Yeah. Elephant. Yeah. Then who is left? Arjit. What card do you have, Arjit? H. What is the sound of this letter? Place your finger here and tell me. H. Yes. Come and place. Where is the letter H? வைங்க. எங்க இருக்கு? ஹெச்ஹ எங்க இருக்குமா? ஹெச்ஹ எங்க இருக்கு? வைங்க. Very good. What is the sound of this letter H? Say. Cat. Cats. Cat. Priyanka Sai. What car do you have, Priyanka Sai? F, and the sound is fur. Yes, come find out fur. Where is fur? Fur fish. Say I love you. Fur fish. Fur small fur. I'm asking fur எங்க இருக்கு? Fur எங்க இருக்கு? Very good. Okay, ma. Yes, children. Very good.